I think the door's a good place to start.
Why would the door stop the dash from turning?
The car wasn't doing anything, so we decided to bring over the door and plug that in to see if that would help. It doesn't do anything. Oh, it's on, it's working. I could now scroll through the dashboard, but I still couldn't get the ignition to come on, only the accessories. Something is stopping us from turning the ignition on. But Ferrari don't even know.
A lot of things not
Surely
plugged
the
in.
ignition will go on though.